Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. How's your day? Jialat, doesn't look good, huh? Is it because of STI recently? Not that good, right? Okay. Of course, later what we will do is we'll reflect on how the market situation is and also what are the sectors to watch out for in 2016. Okay. But before I go on, let me do a survey. How many of you have seen me before? Please raise your hand. Thank you. How many don't? This is the first time we meet. Thank you so much. I guess half of us here today is new friends. So do let me introduce myself. My name is Daniel. My surname is Low. And by the way, I do got a website called daniellow.com. So if you want to know more information regarding the stock market as well as stock tips, do log on into our website. A little bit of information about me. I conduct classes in SIAS. In fact, I'm also a SIAS trainer in both English and Mandarin. So if you want to find out more information regarding short courses, both in fundamental as well as technical aspect, do log on into the website. Then very often I also give comments, especially in websites as well as investment portals. Okay, this is Shares Investment. In fact, I'm also their columnist. Then our company, what we do is we actually host some major events, big and small. This is one of them, Investment Summit 2010, whereby we co-host with some organizers. Then almost every week I will appear on radio station as well as TV to comment on the stock market. This is 95.8 FM. In fact, every Thursday I'll be on air. And almost every month I'll also be on TV. The thing is, of course, one of the most favorite questions I encountered recently, okay, in the last few months is, Daniel, sometimes your prediction is quite accurate. Okay, the thing is you have actually predicted, for example, okay, the Japan index 2012, it reached a low point 8,000, it ran to 16,000. China 2014, okay, you actually predicted China is going to go into a bull market. From 2,000 points, it did run into 5,000 points, okay? But of course, one of the favorite questions I'm being asked is, Daniel, forget about history already. Can you tell me in future, what is the stock index in the world that might double up in the next 2 years? By the way, do you wish to find out what are the index? Yes or no? Yes. It seems like you're not interested. By the way, as investors, okay, what we want to do is we want to buy low, sell what? Thank you. We want to find the bottom of anything, right? We want to invest and probably in the next few years, okay, if the index run out, we make a lot of money. Am I right? Okay? So the thing is, one more time, do you want to know the answer? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. There's a country, okay, please write down, okay, just in case you forget. There's a country start with N. Anybody know now? What index is it? Anyone? Guess. Nikkei? No? Okay, please write down, okay? The index that has a chance to double up in the next 2 years, okay? No more already. Okay. The thing is, that's the truth, right? There's no more index that is going to double in the next 2 years, am I right? Today, if you buy STI at, for example, 2,800 points now, do you think it will double up to 5,006? Yes or no? No, right? You buy Nikkei at 16,000 points, it's not going to double up to 32,000, right? Neither will Dow Jones Industrial Average, okay? You buy at, for example, 18,000 points, it's not going to go up to 36,000, right? So the thing is, my take for you is, as an investor, sometimes you need to look beyond stock market, okay? You need to invest in something that's still at the bottom, right? So the thing is, you know what? The funny thing is, a few months back, there was really someone who called in to actually ask me this question. You can see there's always a number here. Okay, this is the host, this is me. So every time I will receive call, some people will ask a lot of questions regarding stocks, okay? Then there was this particular person that asked, Daniel, can you tell me what index will double in the next 2 years? And my serious answer is, no more already, right? And you know what? After that, I did not give an answer, right? After that, this host, this host she's a very popular TV host, right? Her name is Qi Qi, okay? Qi Qi, okay? Then off stage, Qi Qi actually walked up to me, whispered to me. She said, Daniel, this is national television, you know. National television, that means everybody looking at you. You cannot say no more for answer. It will affect our TV rating, you know. Wow, you see, I'm an analyst. I want to give a real answer, but sometimes I also under pressure, on TV. Okay, I need to consider TV rating. Okay, then of course I tell Chi Chi, hey, this is my real answer lah. I don't want to say that. Wow, you can buy STI. Okay, hope that it goes to go to 5,000. No more already. Okay, but the thing is, I tell Chi Chi, why don't I do this? Okay, I know what is the index in the world that's most likely to bottom in the next. Most likely to bottom, and in the next few years it's going to double up. Perhaps next week I'm going to tell the audience what is it, and that was what I do. Okay, there's really an index. If you want to make a lot of money out of it, okay, you need to consider this. No more STI, no more Hang Seng. This index, serious start with C. Anybody know what is it? Start with C. What index is it? China. No. Please write this down, okay? Write this down, don't forget, okay? Commodities. Commodities. This is what I mentioned, okay? Last year, I started to talk about commodities, okay? Everywhere I go, be it radio station, TV station, or when I'm interviewed on shares investment, okay? You can see, this is one of the shares investment article. Shares investment, almost every week interview me. Okay, the thing is, you can see this is Daniel Low, bull still running, buy commodities while you can, 9 of October 2015. Shares investment, Daniel Low, second phase of bull market, invest in commodities, 28 of October. Wherever I go, I say commodity index, commodity index, commodity index, commodity index. You know what? Until a point, shares investment editor, they so-called interview, they want to write something, right? Okay? Until the editor gets so fed up, they say, Daniel, do you have something new to say now? Always say about commodities, okay? Commodity hasn't run yet, okay? Last year, October, commodity hasn't run yet, right? Okay? Can you talk to me about something else now? Then there was one day whereby the editor suggests something. You see, Daniel, recent market, everybody is concerned about telecom. You know, telecom, there's a news whereby they might allow a fourth company to get listed in Singapore. Correct now? That's one big news, right? Can you talk to me about that now? Okay, because now all the three companies want to gang up together to prevent the fourth company coming in, right? The fourth company, do you know what is it? My Republic, correct now? That's one big news like 1 month or 2 months back, right? Then all the three companies lower their subscription. Daniel, what do you think about telecommunication company? Alamak, I say, wow, this year, the main theme of investment is not about telecom. You ask me to, it's about commodities, I say. Wow, the editor really got fed up already. Can you tell me something else? And by the way, I want to make a point to you, okay? This is the year about commodities. Last year, I did mention it. Last year in SIAS, same thing, same environment, okay? I did mention about commodities index. In the next few years, if you want to get very rich, okay? This is the only index that's in a bear market, that's still in a bear market after 4 years of bear market, okay? If you want to buy something that's in a bear market. You don't buy something that STI already in a 6-year bull market, right? The thing is, you know what? January, something happened again. There's this investment guru by the name of George Soros. How many of you know who is George Soros? Thank you. He made a comment in the, what we call G7 summit, okay? He actually got interviewed by Bloomberg. There was a major so-called news headline. George Soros said that China is heading for a hard landing. Anyone of you heard of it? Yes? Heard of it? Yes. That means he said China economy most likely in the next few years is going to head for 3.5% GDP. By the way, 3.5% GDP, let me tell you, the whole world market will collapse already. Now China is 6.7, by the way, okay? So the thing is, I saw this article, okay? Then, of course, the editor called me again. He said, Daniel, you know what, you talk about commodities, now George Soros against you, no? Okay? You see, George Soros in Bloomberg is bearish on stocks, commodity, and Asian currencies. What do you think of George Soros' comment? Wow, then I said, well, George Soros is somebody, right? Okay? Is somebody who actually can cause the Bank of England to go bankrupt, right? he actually caused all our currency in Asia, okay, in 1997 to keep on going down, right? Plunge, okay, drop to a new low. Even the country cannot fight him. How can Daniel Low fight George Soros? I said, right now, okay? George Soros said, short commodities, okay? Commodities is dead already because commodities got to do with China, right? Okay? Then what I do is I did a research. I go and see. I do a research on all the commodities index. Then I tell myself, not right, leh. I think commodities did bottom, leh. Most likely this year will bottom, okay? From all the charts, you can see it's already bottoming, okay? Let me show you some of the charts. Of course, when we talk about commodities, there are three big commodities out there. Please take down three big commodity segment, okay? You can invest in. Number one is called precious metal. Of course, our gold, silver, copper, platinum, all these are called precious metal, right? The second type of commodity is called agriculture. Okay, so of course your coffee, your sugar, your crude palm oil, okay, all these are called agricultural commodities. And the third big category, anybody know what is it? Thank you, energy, okay? Your crude oil, heating oil, natural gas, okay, all these are called commodities, right? Okay, so the thing is there are three big segments. Today I point out to you a few of them, okay, let us see. This is iron ore. Iron ore to me is classified under mining, okay? Got to do with a bit of precious metal, right? Mining commodities, okay? Iron ore, okay? Let us see the chart of iron ore. In 2011, by the way, iron ore has been falling like crazy, okay? 2011 keep on falling and falling and falling for 4 straight years. Iron ore price reached December low point $37 per ton. Okay, this is iron ore. By the way, here you can see the word iron ore is delivered to Qingdao, China. You know why not? Almost the whole world iron ore actually is delivered to China, Qingdao, because they have one of the largest steel making plant in the whole world. This is 62% ferrous content iron ore, okay? And you know what? It reached a low point $37 in December. Within just 2 months, almost like 2 months, right, until February, $37 per ton. It ran up to $63 per ton. $37 to $63. Okay, you count by the maths. It rises by almost 70% in 2 months. You're talking about an index that rises 70% in 2 months. Is it good or good? Good return, right? Iron ore is going into a bull market. It's in a bull market, okay? And not only iron ore. Let's take a look about this sugar. Sugar is considered agriculture, okay? Your crude palm oil recently ran is because crude palm oil also reached a low point, just like sugar. Last year, August, okay, it reached a low point of $10, from $36 dropped to $10, okay, for 4 straight years. Then suddenly, within like 2 months, sugar went from $10 to $15, a 50% increase in 2 months. Is it good or good? Good, right? Better than STI, am I right? Okay? Better than STI. And let me tell you, one of the ways to spot whether an index has bottomed. Do you wish to find out one of the ways how to spot index has bottomed? Yes or no? It seems you are not enthusiastic. When you look at such a chart, you must be enthusiastic. Do you want to find out how to spot the bottom? Yes or no? Yes. Thank you. Please write down. Very easy, okay? Whenever bear market start, at the first phase of bear market, volatility between the high point and low point is normally very large. That's called high volatility, right? At the start of bear market, everybody panic, okay? So it will go high point, low point, very large. Then it will go smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. There is a point whereby for the last 3 months, before it actually bursts out, for the last 3 months, it was getting so narrow that it almost is in the range of $1. Then suddenly there's one burst up. And this is what we call a channel down, right? This is what we call a triangle descending pattern. Okay, this pattern you must know one. Okay, you must know. Okay, so this sugar actually broke up from $10 to $15. And let me tell you, sugar has broke that $15 high. That means now it's in a higher high, higher low. Trend has changed already. You need to buy sugar. Okay, please go to NTUC and buy. Okay? Just kidding, we can't make money from NTUC sugar. Okay? But let me tell you, the trend has changed already, right? Okay? By the way, this chart is almost similar to crude palm oil. Okay, this chart almost similar. You can go and take a look. Okay, August, it actually bottom already. Crude palm oil, CPO. Okay. Gold is precious metal. Okay, gold recently. Okay, you can see almost like same thing, right? Okay, keep on getting smaller and smaller and smaller and smaller. There was one time whereby gold price, it was ranging like between $50 for the last 3 months. Okay, then suddenly one burst up. Okay, so now gold price is 1,003. Okay, there's a higher high. Now almost every day I look at gold price, it can't drop. It dropped to 1,280 or it dropped to 1,250. Immediately come back up again. Okay, now 1,300 again. Okay, almost going to burst through 1,003. Okay, gold price is also bottoming. Okay. But the thing is today, I want to recommend you one commodity index that I think in the next 2 years is going to double up. Okay, it's not gold. Okay, do you want to know which index is it? Yes or no? Yes, please take down this. No, this is not no more. Don't worry, okay? Silver! Please do it, okay? If 2 months back there was a forum here, let me tell you, I will tell you go and buy silver, you have made $2 out of it already, okay? Silver from $36, it went down to so low. It was so low between like 13 to 15, 13, 15, 13, 15, 13, 15 for the 6 months. This is almost like, okay? This is almost like it's going to bottom soon already, okay? Silver is going into a transition. It's going into a super bull market, right? Silver, okay? And you know what? That was the point whereby I also asked everybody to go and take a look at this counter, silver. Okay, 13, 15. Let me ask you, if you buy at $15 now, okay, the highest point reached is $50 in 2011. You buy at $15 now, your risk is high or low? High or low? Low. It might drop to 13, right? Okay, but that is almost like bottom already, right? You can see it from the chart, okay? But your reward is high or low? Reward high or low? High. Let me tell you, when commodities run, it can run 50% in 2 months, you know? Okay? So the thing is, the reward is high, it may suddenly shoot up to $25, $30, you already double up. 15, you double up, $30, double up already, right? Okay? It's better than buying STI now, okay? So the thing is, you know what? Silver has indeed broke out. Silver has broke out already. Today, of course, you want to buy silver, it's $2 more expensive already. Okay, it's now $17. Okay, it has broke out already. You can see. Okay, I see every day. I want to buy silver at 15. I also cannot already now. Okay, every day I queue also cannot get done. Okay, but never mind. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Who do you think these few months? Who do you think is the person who actually buy all these commodity index? Is it you or me, the retailers, or is it the institution? Who? Institution, right? Who is the institution players? George Soros, am I right now? The person who says short commodities, am I right now? I realize something. George Soros is a big shark. Don't believe George Soros, right? You should believe Daniel Low, am I right now? Big shark will tell you how to make money, man. Won't, right? Okay, he will short all the Asian index until hell, okay, then tell you, okay, I short Asian index, right? Okay, he won't tell you who are the people, but and let me tell you, George Soros represent the Jews community, am I right? Okay, Jews community represent the whole financial system, am I right now? Okay, so the thing is, you should know, okay, George Soros behind him, there's a huge fund there, okay? Almost all the rich people, okay, are investing in him, okay, George Soros fund, okay? So the thing is, there's huge community of people coming in to scoop up commodities, okay, to scoop up commodities, okay? It's just that they buy already, then tell you, okay? So the thing is, don't believe him, okay? Of course, when we talk about silver, how can you invest now? Let me tell you, silver is not going to stop at $17. This 1 year is going to burst up the roof, okay? Of course, you want to participate, you can, through different means. Can you tell me what are the ways to buy silver so that you can make money? What are the ways? Anyone? Let me tell you, one way is to buy the silver mine. Right? You go Australia, go and buy the silver mine. Okay? Of course, I'm joking. Not all of us are so rich, right? In fact, Robert Kiyosaki, you know who now? Robert Kiyosaki said, if you've got money, go and buy gold mine, silver mine, okay? The thing is, you can, okay, of course, through other ways to buy as a retailer, right? Okay, if you're a sophisticated investor, you can invest in silver futures, am I right? Okay, silver futures. But bear in mind, futures is a leverage product, 20 times leverage or 30 times leverage. Okay, so the thing is, if you invest silver futures, do keep in mind you need a big fund. Okay, so that you can withstand the drawdown. Okay, but the third way as a retailer to participate, okay, very easy way as retailer, you can participate in it is to buy the silver what? ETF. Okay, ETF, exchange traded fund. Okay. Of course, the most liquid exchange traded fund in the world is called SLV. Okay, SLV. By the way, can you buy SLV in local market? Yes. Okay, you go to Philip. Okay, of course you have access to overseas quotes. Okay, other exchange in US. You can actually buy this product called SLV. Okay, in fact GLD is listed even in Singapore. Okay, but not SLV. Okay, you can go to DBS. You can go to Poems. You can go anywhere. Okay, you can participate. Okay, by the way. If your broker tell you, I don't know what's SLV, you better fire them. Okay, find one that really know, okay, how to buy US stock. It is a US listed stock, right? ETF, okay? Of course, the last way is to buy silver mining stocks this year, right? Okay, and you know what? These few months, they are going crazy. All the mining stocks in the world are going crazy, be it Malaysia, be it Australia, be it US. Okay, let me tell you one of them. Barrick Gold Corporation. You know, within these few months, okay, because of the mother underlying run, right, okay, this Barrick Gold, okay, from January $7.20, it ran up to $19.80. It's almost like 150% within like 2-3 months, okay. Of course, I'm not trying to tell you you buy now, no, okay. You will need to wait for it to correct, okay. It has gone up so much already. There will be correction, bound to have correction, okay. But every time it correct, you can buy, okay. You can buy, okay. There's one index that haven't run yet. Now, okay, silver run already, gold run already, iron ore run already, okay? By the way, when big players come in to buy commodities, they won't buy all commodities at one shot. Okay, it's one commodity at one time, one commodity at one time. So you need to identify those commodities that haven't run yet. Do you wish to know which one haven't run yet? Yes or no? Yes, okay? Also start with C, okay? Not copper, cotton. Cotton, okay? Of course, this product is not easily accessible. There's futures. I know there's futures on cotton, okay? You know, cotton, same thing, okay? It has dropped from $220 to almost like $60 or 57, the lowest, okay? 57, let me tell you, is the bottom already, okay? By the way, if you participate in my class, I will tell you how do you specifically calculate exactly where is the bottom price, okay? You'll be amazed, okay? I did say crude oil, bottom around $25 to $28 already, crude oil bottom at around 26, okay? Cotton most likely will be here. And by the way, you need to understand it, okay? Why is it commodities are running? It's because of a country now. It's called what? There's one country, okay? Commodities got to do with one country called what? China. It's because of China. Don't believe George Soros, I tell you already, okay? People buy commodities is because of China economy bottoming, not because it's going for a hard landing, okay? It's bottoming soon already, okay? And you know what? Recently, I saw that some articles came out already. There are some investment guru that also said the same thing as what I said, okay? This is 4th of March in Bloomberg. There's a person, okay? Templeton, Emerging Market Group Executive Chairman. His name is by the name of Mark Mobius, right? Have you heard of it? Yes, okay? He said that buy commodity stock as rebound is just beginning. Last month he said buy commodity stock. Okay, by the way, do you know why Mark is telling you that? Because he copied Daniel Low. Right? Okay, just joking. Okay, he's also very good guru. Okay, very good guru. Okay, very influential. Okay. And let me tell you, everybody is now looking at commodities, okay? Everybody, okay? And you need to participate, okay? And that's the reason why all these companies are running, right? You go and flip open your Singapore commodities chart, okay? Of course, I'm talking about agriculture. A lot of Singapore commodities are on agriculture, right? Of course, no mining, not many mining stocks here, okay? So mining stock, you probably got to look at Australia Exchange or even US Exchange, okay? But your all these stocks, the Haitian Agri, Golden Agri, Indus Agri, all the Agri stocks, right? Suddenly turn beautiful already, right? Okay? Everybody is running, including Wilmar. You have forgotten Wilmar, I guess, right? If you look at Wilmar chart, last September, it bottomed at 250. You know what is Wilmar price now? It's almost like, this is like, today May is already, This is the old chart. Now it's 370, right? Almost like 370. It's not dropping, you know. These few months, this STI has dropped 200 points, right? But Wilmar is still very strong. And you need to participate in this game. Of course, I'm not asking you to buy Wilmar. Wait for it to correct, okay? Wait for it to correct. You don't buy at a high, okay? Wait for it to correct, okay? By the way, there's one thing that probably the Mark Mobius did not tell you. Do you want to know what secret is it? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, okay? Although he asked you to buy commodities, but I always like to tell you in advance what to do. Okay? What to do, okay? Let me tell you a bit about bull market cycle. Bull market cycle, okay? I'm so accurate because of this, okay? Let me tell you, for example, people say bull market, let's say commodities now go into a super bull market, right? Okay, after 4 years of drop already, now reach bottom, go into a super bull market. Bull market cycle, a lot of people say, almost can last for around 4 years to 7 years on average, am I right? Let's assume it's 4 years. Okay, commodities market is going into a bull market now. First year, second year, third year, fourth year. Let me ask you this. Which year is the best year that you should buy so that you make a lot of money? Have a guess. First year, second year, third year, or fourth year? Which year? I heard some say fourth year, some said first year, some said second year, third year. Let me tell you this, okay? Nobody in the world has done research like me on this bull market cycle. If you want to participate in any huge bull market run, always buy the first year. Write it down, okay? Can you turn to your friends now? Can you turn to your friends, left and right neighbor, give them a high five and say, buy first year. High five. I want you to remember. You write down also no use. You throw away the paper anyway, right? The only way to remember is remind each other. Please, high five. Buy first year. But this thing, Mark is not going to tell you. This is what I found out. Second year, you should short or sell away all your commodities, index and stocks. This always happen, okay? Let me tell you, bull market cycle will not run every year. First year is the year you speculate on it because it's going to go up one time within 1 year. But second year is going to be dead. A lot of people don't know that. That's the reason why you buy STI, after 6 years of bull market, you're still losing money. Because you did not participate the first year. And in a huge bull market run, if you never participate in first year, it's very difficult for you to make money anymore. If you are still waiting until next year, then you buy silver, jialat already. Okay, it has gone to $50, perhaps $30, okay? Always buy the first year, whereby nobody buy it, okay? Then you will make huge sum of money. And this is always true. Let me tell you, I spotted Nikkei, exactly correct. I said buy at almost like 10,000 points. Okay, it ran from 8,000 points in 2012. What happened in the first year of bull market run? Almost every day run like crazy. It ran from 8,000 points to 16,000 points. But what happened when it entered the second year of bull market? It is dead already, okay? It is almost dead. And the day whereby it hit 16,000 points, okay, a 2 times resistance, it collapsed 1,000 points. And following which, this is almost every one whole month, it dropped. There was a collapse. And it hasn't got out of 16,000 points ever since for the next 2 to 3 years. Okay, this is a cycle of bull market. You must always remember. Okay, you must always remember. Shanghai Composite went into a huge bull market run. Same thing. There was a triangle descending pattern. Okay, it broke out of 2,000 points. Almost every month keep on going up. From June, it ran to 2015 June. Following which, it's dead already. How much it run up? How much it will fall. Okay, this is what I want you to remember. Always participate in the bull market. Buy the what year? First year. Short the what year? Second year. Okay? What's the reason? Because first year run has nothing got to do with fundamental. Who on earth is going to buy iron ore now? There's no demand for it. All the economy are bad, am I right now? Who is buying silver now? Silver, there's no demand for it, right? Okay, economy is bad in Japan. Okay, maybe China is also bad, right? Almost every month the GDP drop. But who is buying? All the speculators. All the speculators who want to make a lot of money. They keep on gamble, speculate. Okay, there's no demand for it. That's the reason why after it ran out one time, or 80% or 70%, the second year it will collapse. Okay, and that's what happened to China stocks, right? You saw it, this 1 year is dead, okay? Because it ran out so much already, okay? So after which, China went from 5,000, dropped back to 3,000 now. Okay, second year. Okay. SDI, how is SDI now? Okay, you can see SDI, the first year of bull market start from 2009, March, it keep on running and running for one year to 1.5 years. It reached a top in 2010, okay, 3,000 points. And let me tell you, SDI has not got out of 3,000, okay? Now it's still below 3,000, am I right? After so many years, okay? A lot of people did not tell you why there's a second phase. Second phase, you need to wait for fundamental. First phase is because the whole world actually print money. There's a lot of stimulus. It keep on going up. There's a lot of speculation. But second phase, you need to wait for real economic result. Okay? If the result did not fall, did not match the analyst expectation, it will fall. All your stocks will collapse. Okay? So the thing is, if you tell me, Daniel, can I buy silver now? Yes. But 1 year later, you better be careful already. Okay? Silver might be dead next year. Next year you come here, I won't tell you to buy silver anymore. Okay, let's short silver instead. Okay. So the thing is, US dollar. You know what? You can apply this concept to any index. People tell me, Daniel, US dollar you must buy, right? Because US interest rate is going to rise. US dollar is good, right? Let me tell you, US dollar has been dead for 1 year already. If you don't notice, okay? US dollar index, okay? From this April in 2014, it keep on running and running and running. It went into a super bull market, okay? It broke the 12 years bear market collapse, okay? So it go into a super bull market from $80, went up to $100. Then following which, 1 whole year is dead. Now it's $93. It did not get out of this consolidation region, okay? Even though people expect US economy is good. Why? Because it's entered into the second year of bull market, okay? This is one big tip that's going to save you, okay? Going to save you. Next time, if SDI drop back to 1,500, we enter into a bear market again. You must participate in the first year. Second year, sell away all your stocks. Wait for the fundamental to be right before you enter again, okay? And the thing is, you know what? This is my next prediction I'm going to tell you, okay? I predict that China economy in the next second half of the year is going to bottom, okay? I may be the only person that tell you, okay? It's going to bottom soon, okay? Very soon. In fact, I predict it's almost like June to July, okay? You'll see probably it bottom somewhere around 6.7%, okay? So the thing is, I believe that once it bottom already, commodities will keep on running and running, okay, for 1 whole year, okay? You can participate in it, okay? Because why? Based on my research, let me tell you my research, okay? The reason why a stock market run is because of stimulus. China almost every month is printing money to save the economy, to save the stock, to save the property market, okay? It's going one day to be effective, am I right now? Okay? So the thing is, normally based on what I found out, it takes 2 years of stimulus before economy bottom. 2 years. 2 years is a magic number, okay? And let me tell you a bit about other economy. Japan, same thing. Japan in December 2012, okay? Prime Minister Abe launched something called Abenomics. Have you heard of it? Yes, right? Abenomics basically means printing money every month. Keep on printing until now, still printing. Okay, printing money, decreasing Japanese currency yen, as well as okay, so-called decrease the interest rate. Right? Okay, that's what they are doing now, and they are still continue doing. And you know what? After which, Japan only got out of recession in June 2015. 2 years later, okay, 2 years later, Japan economy bottom. This is Japan economy GDP. They print money in 2012, December. You can see they even fall into a recession. Recession means 2 quarters below zero called a recession, right? Okay, they go into a recession 1 year later. They only got out of recession last year. Okay, so now it's hovering around 1 to 2%. Okay, they only got out of recession last year. Okay. Then the thing is, what about Europe? Europe first print money, they have a first QE, okay, it was approved by Europe, right? Okay, by Germany, okay? They have the first QE December 2011. It does not mean you print money, you immediately the economy goes up. No, economy is a lagging factor, lag behind the stock market by somewhere around 2 years, okay? So the thing is, they only got out of recession in 2013. 2 years after, they keep on printing money to save the economy, okay? 2011 December, they start to print. They in fact went into a recession in 2012. They only got out almost like late of 2013, okay? But they have been up ever since, okay? Europe economy has been good, okay? It has been above 2%, okay? Consistently percent, sorry, okay? And what about China? Why do I say China is going to bottom second half of this year? Okay, in fact, the institution players are doing it already, okay? They are buying commodities like crazy, okay? China, the GDP has been falling ever since 2011, whereby there's a slam down on the economy, right? By Wen Jiabao, if some of you know, right? Okay. And the thing is, what actually happened is China started to print money in 2014 April. That was the first time they have something, they launched something called a mini stimulus, okay? Every month they keep on printing money, okay? And the thing is, if you follow my research, my concept, they print money in April 2014. Most likely they will bottom 2 years later, which is when? 2016 April, right? Okay? That's why a lot of people are buying that now, okay? Because they believe that China economy, every month they print money, every month they decrease the bank reserve rate, almost, okay, every few months they will decrease the interest rate. In one fine day, China economy will bottom, right? And they buy in early, okay? They buy commodities, okay? You know what? Not only they buy commodities, they buy the assets of China properties, right? China real estate frenzy is back as Shenzhen prices surged 50% last year, okay? By the way, I don't know whether some of you, some investors, okay, you may be buying properties. Don't buy Singapore properties. Buy China, okay? Singapore property is dead already because of all the cooling measure, right? You need to buy a place whereby interest rate keep on dropping, and China is going crazy now, okay? The thing is, Shenzhen prices went 50% higher, okay? The thing is, you can see here, Shenzhen prices increased by 50%, Shanghai prices increased by 18%, Beijing price increased by 10%. This is called first tier city. First tier city. This is something that I need to teach you so that you can grow very, very rich. Do you want to know the secret? Yes or no? Buy property. I said buy property, so easy, man. Okay? Oh, the thing is, let me tell you the secret, okay? You need to always buy property in concentric circle. In what circle? Concentric circle, okay? Normally when you buy property, the price that is highest, normally in the middle region, we call it the first tier city will run first, okay? After which, the second tier city will start to run. Third tier city will start to run. Fourth tier city will start to run. This will be happening in the next few years to China. The first tier city already ran, Shenzhen already ran 50%. Now you got to look at second tier city, okay? This is just like Singapore. The first tier city you should buy is actually in where? Marina, right? Okay, Marina, okay, near the CBD area. Okay, after CBD area run already, you should look at Novena, right? Second tier city, okay? After Novena run already, you should look at Ang Mo Kio, right? After Ang Mo Kio run already, the last thing you look at is Punggol, am I right? That's what happened to the last few years. And after Punggol run already, what you do? You go to Malaysia and buy, right? After Malaysia buy already, what you do? You go Philippines and buy, right? Okay? And that's what's happening, you know. These few years, Singaporeans make so much money from properties by expanding outreach out, okay? So this is how you buy properties. And by the way, okay, of course, you're not investing in property, never mind. Let me tell you, you got to participate in China property stocks. China property stocks. This year is China is the main theme of investment this year has got to do with China. Has got to do with which country? China. Okay? Which sector? Buy China. Don't tell me buy M1, right? There's no telecommunication, okay? Telecommunication is a domestic sector. You need to buy global related sector this year, okay? The main theme, okay? Of course, all these companies are running, am I right or not? Okay? Hobby, Yanlong, Wingtai, Tak Hong, okay? All got to do, all have projects in China. Of course, Tak Hong is a construction company. The rest are developers, am I right or not? Okay? And you can see, this is Hobby price. It's not falling, although it correct, okay? STI corrected recently, but it's not falling, okay? Ever since February, it went from $1.80, okay? It went up to almost $2.20, but it's hovering around there, right? Of course, some correct a bit. But I would say, okay, sell in May and go away really came, okay? STI went from like 2,950 points, dropped back to somewhere around now 2,700 something, right? Okay? But then again, I believe second half of this year, you must take a look at Singapore market again because of China. Our companies is closely related to China economy. That's the reason why 2011 until now, Singapore stock is dead because of China slamming down on the economy. But after this month, if the market really collapse, okay, if the market drop, okay, next month or the next month, you must buy in already. Okay, there are some good stocks that you can participate in. Okay, commodity stock or China property stock or whatsoever. This year, the main theme, okay, if you want to make money, is either to participate to buy commodities index or stocks or properties stock that has projects in China. And by the way, this sector, I always tell everybody in advance because that's what I do, okay? I don't tell history, okay? Take a look at shipping sector next year. Okay, write it down. Shipping is dead, right? Everybody think it's dead, right? Okay, shipping is dead. But let me tell you, when global economy starts to go up, okay, when inflation starts to kick in, when Europe starts to bottom, China bottom, Japan bottom, start to increase, shipping, you can take a look next year. Okay? I'm going to tell you in advance. Okay, last year I tell about commodities, okay? But this year, next year, take a look at shipping. Okay, probably shipping might run in 2017. Okay? Okay. By the way, okay, the thing is today I run out of time. Okay, I want to share with you more information. Okay? The thing is what I do is I do have a workshop coming up. Okay, by the way, do you receive this yellow color flyer? Yellow color flyer, okay? Every time in my workshop, I'll tell you in advance what are the things you can do to prepare yourself to make money, okay? Be it second half of the year or next year, okay? And I'm quite lucky in that most of my predictions are right because of tremendous research done, okay? So if you want to participate in our class, you can. It's a one-day event. It's called 5 Secrets, okay, to spot the bottom of a stock or index, okay, yellow color paper. If you don't have the paper later, you go out to Daniel Low booth, you can take a look, okay? Then fill up the coupon and you can come for this class, okay? In fact, this class is worth $1,080, but today if you participate, I only got 50 seats, okay, in my office, okay, 50 participants, okay, the first 50 you participate, you are able to come for the class. I'm going to teach you the secrets how an investment guru spot the bottom of many stock and index in 1929 Great Worldwide Depression, okay? And I learned so much from this guru, and that's the reason why I comment about crude oil, okay? Perhaps I'm one of the believer of crude. I expect oil prices to bottom at 25 to 28. Really, crude oil bottom at 26. It's based on a very simple calculation, okay? And this is what I learned from this guru, okay? And the thing is, that's the reason why I said cotton, you can take a look, okay? Because it has almost bottomed. And in the class, I'm going to tell you fundamental news that must happen when the bearish stock suddenly survive, okay, or revive, okay? So for example, SMRT, it actually bottomed at $1. There's a reason SMRT bottomed, you know, okay? So the thing is, I'm going to tell you how to spot them. Charting indicators, okay? For some of you who like charting, charting is one tool whereby very simple tool you can spot the bottom of any stock or index. Okay, just now I showed you one of them is called triangle descending pattern, right? Okay? To identify a reversal in a bearish stock, what are the index that might bottom and make a super bull market run in 2016? Not many left, but it has got to do with commodities, okay? And when will STI crash into a bear market? Okay? That's one really big issue that a lot of concerns, right? The thing is, if you come for this class, what we are going to do is we are also going to give you free reports worth $588, okay? 3 commodity stocks that you must look at in 2016. We did tremendous study, okay? We are going to tell you what are the 3 stocks out of so many to look at so that you can narrow down your focus on them. And 2 defensive dividend stocks that you can look at after the Federal Reserve dovish stand, okay? Recently, Janet Yellen said, okay, they are not going to raise interest rates so fast, right? Okay, that's the reason why probably part of the portfolio, you need to invest in defensive sector, okay, and most likely give you huge dividend, but at the same time, there's good fundamental play. Okay, I'm going to give you this report for free if you sign up for the class, okay? So only 50 limited seats. What you are going to do is sign out the form and pass to Daniel Low booth, okay? Thank you very much. I hope you gain something out of this. Thank you so much. Thank you, okay?